In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase in Adobe Acrobat. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your document and then you have two options. The first one, of course, is to click on Edit PDF over here on the right, and you can simply select your text or whatever. So I'm just going to select like this part over here. You can click on kind of the box around it, press delete on your keyboard, and it's going to erase it that way, okay? That's the first thing you can do. Then you can click inside any of these and select text and click on delete, and it's going to do the exact same thing. And of course, this can be done pretty much for any object inside your PDF, just like that, okay? Which is quite convenient. However, if you're talking about redacting and not actually erasing, you can do that as well. So you can go over here and click on close, and then you go to search tools and you type in redact. From here, click on redact text and images. And here you want to select whatever you want to redact. So for example, let's say you want to erase this part, you want to drag a rectangle around it, and there we go, it's going to get basically selected for redaction. And you can also do this on your text over here like this, and it's going to get redacted. If you don't like the black color, you can click on the arrow down, click on properties, and change the color and stuff like that over here to, for example, you could do like gray or white, whatever, and you can then redact with that color from now on, okay? And yeah, that's essentially how you can erase as well. And then you can click on the apply button top right, and those changes are going to take effect inside your document. Then don't forget to save your document and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.